It's a well-documented fact that loud noises can be hazardous to people's hearing, but it may also mean that they're missing other dangers. According to a study, workers who are exposed to loud noises are more likely to miss warnings. The National Public Health Institute of Quebec found that employees who are exposed to more than 100 decibels were twice as likely to be hospitalised due to injuries at work than those who are not. That noise level is equivalent to standing next to a lawnmower. In particular, employees who had already suffered hearing loss due to work were more likely to suffer workplace injuries. The study was conducted using the records of 46,550 male workers over the last 20 years. It found that 1,670 of these had been hospitalised in the 5 years after going for hearing tests. For each decibel of hearing that workers lost, researchers also found that their chances of injury in the workplace rose by 1%. They found this result by comparing the amount of injuries that workers suffered to the results of hearing tests after being exposed to loud noises at work. The recommendation from the report was that workers and supervisors should develop signals that do not require the use of hearing to ensure everyone in the workplace is alerted to any danger. Additionally, it should be ensured that workers are wearing appropriate protection for their ears whenever they're exposed to loud noise. This story was brought to you by QBE, the Business Insurance Specialist.